In today's video, I will walk you through how to use silent messages on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Silent messages are a useful feature in Telegram that lets you send a message without triggering a notification sound on the recipient's device. This is especially helpful when you want to share information without disturbing someone who may be sleeping, working, or busy. In this video, I'll show you how to use silent messages on Telegram. Start by opening the chat where you want to send your message. This can be a private conversation, a group, or a channel where you have permission to post. Next, type the message you want to send in the message field. Take a moment to review your text before sending it to make sure everything looks correct. Instead of tapping the send button right away, press the right mouse button. This will open a menu with additional sending options. From the menu that appears, select Send Without Sound. This tells Telegram to deliver the message silently, so the recipient receives it without the usual notification sound. After selecting this option, Telegram will immediately send your message. The recipient will still receive it in their chat, but if their device is able to play notification sounds, Telegram won't trigger the usual sound for that specific message. You can use silent messages whenever you think a regular notification might interrupt someone. Keep in mind that silent messages don't make the conversation private or hidden. The recipient can still see the message when they open Telegram, and the message appears in the chat just like any other message. If you want to send another silent message later, simply repeat the same process. Type your message and choose Send Without Sound again. And that's how to use silent messages on Telegram. It's a simple feature that lets you communicate more thoughtfully by reducing unnecessary interruptions, while still making sure your message is delivered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.